guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long while since I've been here, and today I feel like it is super necessary for me to bring you an update because we are now in 2026, and as you can see, I have my hair in a bun and this is because I have put in some extensions. Yes, your girl got bored, and instead of cutting my locks or dyeing my locks or doing something crazy to it, I said, let me just extend them. So I have my hair in the bun right now. I'll show you how it looks like when it is open. It's super long, very long. Usually I don't do my hair that long, even when I had in braids back in those days or when I put on a weave, but I just couldn't help it. I just decided to do that. So just a few details to my locks. So at the end of January 2026, like around the 27th, I will be 3 years and 6 months locked. So my locks, they are somewhere here. I would insert a footage of how my locks look like right now, because unfortunately, even though I had it on my mind that I should film how my locks look like at that stage before I put in the extensions, but I was just being so stubborn so I didn't do it. But I have a footage of my last update, and that's not too long ago. I think that was when I was like 3 years and 4 months, or maybe 3 years and 5 months, not so sure, but they haven't changed in length that much. So yeah, I just decided to come here and then show you how my new hairdo looks like. I can show you here also how long it is, because you know, I don't know if you would see it here, but this is somewhat, look, it's super long. I don't know how far back I can go to show you, but yeah, it's very, very long. And the reason why I'm confident to show you today is because I finished yesterday. It took me forever. I bought a deep wave because I don't like curls. Like, I didn't want it, not that I don't like it, I like curls, but I wanted it to be wavy. But this is what I kind of got. They don't look that wavy anymore. They are kind of straight, but because it's human hair, I can put in curls with a curling iron or something, so I'll be doing that. But for the meantime, it's like this. So this is what is left from the entire installation. This is an 18-inch length of hair. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, this is 18 inches. So at the front here, everything that I did at the front here, this is a 22-inch actually, 22. So I put everything that was at the front here, I used a bundle of 22 inches. Then what I did from here, which is here, I used, like from the back like this, I used a 20-inch, and at the top, which was very little, the 20-inch reached for almost everything at the back, but for a little portion that was left up here, I used this, the 18-inch. So this is what is left over from the 18-inch. And this is like a regular weave that you can buy.